Hello children, welcome back to my channel Calculus. Last class we studied Euclid's division lemma. What is it? For given positive integers a and b, there exist unique integers q and r such that a is equal to bq plus r, 0 less than or equal to r less than b. Euclid's division algorithm is based on this lemma. Today we will do the first exercise of this chapter, that is for finding HCF using division algorithm. This Euclid's division algorithm, you have to find the HCF of numbers. Now we will do through calculus. Okay. Then first question, use Euclid's division algorithm to find the HCF of 135 and 225. So first we do that. Okay. We know that Euclid's division algorithm is a is equal to bq plus r, 0 less than or equal to r less than b. So here 135 and 225, 135 and 225. Using division algorithm, we want to find the HCF of these two numbers. So we factorize and write in this form, a is equal to bq plus r, that is dividing and writing in this form. Whenever you get the r, that is remainder 0, that divisor will be the HCF. So 135 and 225, which one is greater? 225. So 225 can be written as, first you divide 225 divided by 135. 135 into 1, 135. 135 into 2, we know 270. So only one times it goes on 135. 5 minus 5, 0. 2 minus 3 not going, borrowing. 12 minus 3, 9. So we write here 135 into 1 plus 19. Here remainder is not 0. So again we divide. Next dividend is 135. So again we divide 135 divided by this 90. Then 90 into 1, 90, 90 into 2, 180. So only one times it goes on 90. 5 minus 0, 5. 3 minus 9 not possible. So borrowing. 13 minus 9, 4. So this can be written as 90 into 1 plus 45. Now also the remainder is not 0. So again our dividend is 90. So 90 is equal to, again we divide 90 divided by 45. 45 into 1 is 45, 45 into 2 is 90. So 2 times it goes on 90, and now we get the remainder 0. So here we write 45 into 2 plus 0. Now we get the remainder 0. Therefore the HCF is this divisor, that is 45. In this way we can do. So first greater number divided by the smaller number. Then we write this in the form a is equal to bq plus r. That is a is the dividend, b is the divisor, and q is the quotient, r is the remainder. In this way we write whenever we get the remainder 0, that divisor will be the HCF. So HCF is 45. So next 196 and 38,220. We know that 38,220 is the greater number. So that will be the dividend. 38,220 divided by 196. So first 3 digit we take, 1 times it goes on 196. 2 minus 6 not going, so borrowing. 12 minus 6 is 6. Here 7 minus 9 not going, so borrowing. 17 minus 9, that is 8. Then 2 minus 1, 1. And the next number we bring down. Now it will be 1862. So how many times it goes on? Then we can check 196 into 9. 6 9s are 54, 5 carrying. 9 9s are 81 plus 5, 86. 8 carrying. 9 into 1, 9 plus 8, 17. So we can write 9 here and 1764. So subtracting 2 minus 4 not going, borrowing 12 minus 4 8, then 5 minus 6 not going, so borrowing 15 minus 6 is 9, then here 7 minus 7 0. So the next number bring down, it becomes 980. So 196 how many times it goes on? So we can check 196 into 5. 6 5s are 30, here 3, then 9 5s are 45 plus 3, 48, here 4, 5 into 1 5 plus 4 9. So we get 5 times 980 and the remainder is 0. So in the first step we get the remainder 0. This 38,220 can be written as the divisor, that is 196 into 195 plus remainder 0. Now first step we get the remainder 0, so suddenly we can write the HCF is 196. Clear? Next, 867 and 255. So the greater number is 867. So 867 we divide 867 divided by 255. So how many times it goes on? We can check 255 into 4. 5 4s are 20. Here 2. 5 4s are 20 plus 2 22. Here 2. 4 2s are 8 plus 2 10. So only 867. So it is not going. So 255 into 3. 3 5s are 15. Here 1. 3 5s are 15 plus 1 16. Here 1. 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7. So 3 times it goes. So you can write 3 times. 3 5s are 15. 3 5s are 15 plus 1 16. 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7. So subtracting 7 minus 5 2, 6 minus 6 0, 8 minus 7 1. Now we can write 255 into 3 plus 102. So remainder not equal to 0. So again we write, that is next dividend is 255, that equal to, so we divide 255 divided by this 102. So 102, so 2 times it goes on 204. So then subtracting 5 minus 4 1, 5 minus 0 5. So this we write 102 divisor into quotient 2 plus remainder 51. Here also the remainder is not 0. So next dividend is this 102. So 102 divided by this 51. So we know that 2 times 102 and the remainder 0. So this we can write 51 into 2 plus 0. Now we get the remainder 0. So this is the HCF. Therefore HCF is 51. Clear? Next, second question. Show that any positive odd integer is of the form 6q plus 1 or 6q plus 3 or 6q plus 5 where q is some integer. We have to show that. We know that Euclid's division lemma is A is equal to BQ plus R, 0 less than or equal to R less than B. Listen here, 6q plus 1, 6q plus 3, 6q plus 5, etc. So this is of the form A is equal to BQ plus R, that is 6q plus 3 or 6q plus 1, 6q plus 5, etc. B equal to 6. So we know that R remainder is less than B. So here the possible values are of R. What are they? We know that R is always less than B. B is equal to 6. So the possible values of R are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we write when R equal to 0, then A equal to 6q plus 0, which is equal to 6q. And when we putting q is equal to 1, 2, 3, etc. When q is equal to 1, it is 6. Q is equal to 2, it is 12. 6, 12. Then q is equal to 3, it is 18. Q equal to 4, 24, etc. That is, these all are even numbers. So this will be even. And next we write when R equal to 1, that is A is equal to 6q plus 1. Here we are putting numbers, that is 1. So when q is equal to 1, 6 into 1 plus 1, 7. When q equal to 2, 6 into 2, 12 plus 1, 13. Q equal to 3, 6 into 3, 18 plus 1, 19, and that way. And these all are odd integers. So these are odd. Next, when r equal to 2, a equal to 6q plus 2. Here also q is equal to 1, 6 into 1, 6 plus 2, 8. Then q equal to 2, 6 into 2, 12 plus 2, 14. Then q equal to 3, 18 plus 2, 20. In that way, that these are even integers. So this is even. And next, when r equal to 3, a equal to 6q plus 3. Here also q is equal to 1, 6 into 1, 6 plus 3, 9. And then q equal to 2, 12 plus 3, 15. Q equal to 3, 18 plus 3, 21. In this way. That is, these all are again odd integers. And next, when r equal to 4, a equal to 6q plus 4. Here q equal to 1, 6 plus 4, 10. Q equal to 2, 12 plus 4, 16. Q equal to 3, 18 plus 4, 22. These all are even integers. Next, last, when r equal to 5, a is equal to 6q plus 5. Here 6q is equal to 1. Here q is equal to 1, 6 plus 5, 11. Q equal to 2, 12 plus 5, 17. Q equal to 3, 18 plus 5, 23. These all are odd integers. So these are the possible values of r, and when we substitute r equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we get 6q is even, 6q plus 1 is odd, 6q plus 2 is even, 6q plus 3 is odd, 6q plus 4 is even, 6q plus 5 is odd. So this is odd, this odd, and this odd. That is of the form 6q plus 1, 6q plus 3, and 6q plus 5. So we can write, therefore, for any positive odd integer is of the form 6q plus 1, 6q plus 3, or 6q plus 5. Clear? Next, third question. An army contingent of 616 members is to march behind an army band of 32 members in a parade. The two groups are to march in the same number of columns. What is the maximum number of columns in which they can march? So maximum number of columns. So we know that for finding maximum, we find the HCF. So an army contingent of 616 members. So number of members in an army contingent, that equal to 616. And then an army band, that is number of members in an army band, that equal to how many? 32. So we have to find out, and these members, two groups are to march in the same number of columns. So what is the maximum number of columns? So we want to find the maximum number of columns in which they can march. So that is HCF of 616 and 32. So we know that Euclid's division algorithm is A is equal to BQ plus R, 0 less than or equal to R less than B, that we know. So we want to find out the HCF of 616 and 32 using this lemma. So 616 and 32, which one is greater? 616. So 616 to, then divide 616 divided by 32, We know that 32 into 2 is 64. So here only 61. So 1 times 32. Then subtract 1 minus 2 not going. So borrowing 11 minus 2 is 9. Then here only 5. 5 minus 3 is 2. Next number bring down 296. Then how many times 32 goes on 296? We can check 2 8s are 16. So we check 8 times 8 2s are 16. 1 carrying 8 into 3 24 plus 1 25. Then 32 into here 256 296. 32 into 9 9 2s are 18. 1 carrying 9 3s are 27 plus 1 28. So 9 times it goes 9 times 288. Then subtracting here 6 minus 8 not going. So borrowing 16 minus 8, 8. Then here 8 minus 8, 0. So in this way we can write 616 is equal to 32 into 19 plus 8. Here remainder is not 0. So next we write this divisor as dividend. So 32 equal to 32 divided by 8. We know that 4 times 32 and remainder 0. So we write here the divisor, that is 8 into quotient 4 plus remainder 0. Now we get the remainder 0. So this divisor will be the HCF. So HCF is equal to 8. Maximum number of columns equal to 8. Clear? And now let us wind up this class. In the next questions we will continue the next class. If you like this video, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.